Great Namaskar everyone. I am Kanak Agrawal along with my teammate Shelly Kumar. Today we are talking about a career goal, which is CA, a chartered accountant. You know, a lot of big companies need someone who works with accounting, finance and other kind of things, because a big businessman can't always look for those type of things alone. The person who looks after all these things is a chartered accountant. So today we will discuss more about what is the work of chartered accountant, what is the eligibility and how a person can become a chartered accountant. A decision that can change your life forever. So now we will discuss about the eligibility. To become a CA, a student after his 12th board examination from a recognized board can appear. Like first he or she have to register in ICAI institution and then he or she will give first foundation exam. In this there is a basic subjects like business economics and accounting, accounts and different kind of things. Then he or she has to get through CA intermediate examination, and after that there is 18 months of articleship, and after that a final examination. So the entrance examination, the course in CA foundation, the first level after 12th, there are 4 subjects which consist of 400 marks, and the student has to get 40% in all the subjects and 50% overall. And for the ST and SC community people, a student only has to get 35%. So the key subjects are accounting, business laws, business economics and quantitative aptitude. In quantitative aptitude there is 3 things like mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics. And after clearing the CA foundation examination, he or she has to give CA intermediate, in which advanced accounting, other laws, taxation, cost and management accounting, auditing and ethics and financial management. These subjects are advanced and he or she will get more experience. And after the intermediate there is a 2 years of articleship, which is almost like an 18 months of articleship. In this he or she will get more experience about how a business works, and they will work under a experienced CAs, and they will get exposure to multinational companies or different kind of companies, how they work and how they run. And after their articleship for 2 years or 18 months, they will go for a final examination in which financial reporting, advanced financial management, advanced auditing, direct and international taxation, indirect taxes and multidisciplinary case study. So they after studying this after giving the examination, CA final, they will become a certified CA. In CA intermediate there are 2 groups, A and B. Both the group consists only 3 subjects, and in also this final exam there is 2 groups. Each group consists 3 subjects. The top recruitments, like you have heard about that like big 4 companies, and in those big 4 companies there are Deloitte, PwC, EY and KPMG. So they also hire people like to manage their finance, taxation, auditing and these type of things. And also the Tata, Reliance and FDFC Bank and ICI Bank, all these type of firms and businesses, they also require CAs. So they also recruit people and they also give trainings to them. They will perform better, and the top big 4 companies are best for your articleships. The future scope. So fresh CA, only a fresh CA get 8 to 12 lakh per annum salary, and after like his experience of about 3 to 5 years, he or she get 15 to 25 lakhs per annum, and after 8 to 10 years his package will be 30 to 60 lakhs per annum, and it's not a small amount. And if he or she will do more studies, like after doing that CFA or CFA kind of things, then his or her package will be more than that. Like the partner and CFA level, like 60 lakh per annum and 1 crore plus. CA's salary depends on skills, experience and like what kind of location where he lives.
Dream big, work hard and become a CA.